October 27th, 2010. This is today's climate update. I'm going to begin by reading the United States military is looking into an incident on Saturday in which it lost communications with 50 long-range nuclear-armed missiles based in northern United States. The complete story is linked below. So let's get on with the climate, shall we? The United States is experiencing the Burricane, me and the wife are calling it. Basically, it's the hurricane, super low pressure, all the wind and stuff. We are still having wind and stuff today. I'm having reports of tornadoes and semi-trucks all over the highway and high winds and all of that. Today on Ice Age Now, they have Indonesia, tsunami death toll soars to 282. Hundreds still missing. They also have a story on global food crisis forecast. Prices reach record highs. October 26th, world wheat and maize prices have risen 57%, rice 45%, and sugar 55% over the last 6 months. Soybeans are at their highest price for 16 months, and meat prices are at 20-year highs. Complete story linked below. Earthquake, tsunami, volcano hammer Indonesia. A blizzard warning for North Dakota, 10 inches or more snow, and that's part of this Burricane happening. Let's see, Britain coldest October night in 17 years, back on the 25th. That's it for the Ice Age Now. Living Planet, they have a big story on Indonesia about the erupting volcano and thousands flee in panic. They're still expecting a lot more activity out of this volcano. They are pretty much forcing people to get out of there. Another story, 2 weeks of flooding in Thailand kills 57 people. Heavy downpours that cause rivers to burst around Thailand have killed 57 people in nearly 2 weeks of flooding that officials are calling the worst in decades, authorities said on Wednesday. That story is also linked below. Cosmic climate change is underway. I already put out a video on that. And then another story, Indonesia struggles as tsunami and volcano toll rises. Let's go to the RSOE. Now the RSOE, of course, it's covering the extreme weather in the United States, the tsunami, that missile thing. There's a fire in Prague in an abandoned building. A bunch of people died. Fishing boat caught on fire south of Sicily. And that's about it for the RSOE today. And on spaceweather.com, possible meteors from Comet Hartley 2, a pair of unusual fireballs over Canada and the southeastern United States, have experts wondering if Comet Hartley 2 might produce a meteor shower in early November. And then they have another one about the big bright object near the sun, and that's the coronagraph. We've seen a couple videos out that people are like, what the hell is that? The big bright light in the foreground of it, that is Venus. It's official. Sunspot 1117 has a beta gamma magnetic field that harbors energy for M-class solar flares. And that's still facing us. And it's saying we don't have any large corona holes facing our direction, and the winds are starting to slow down today. That's about it for right now. And again, we're dealing with the Burricane all throughout the United States and southern Canada. Definitely experiencing some strange weather, because they were saying if it had snow, it'd be a blizzard, and if it was more tropical, it would be a hurricane. So I guess it's a Burricane. Until then, have a good one.